Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss K. I'm going to show you how we cut this grass, and my girls, these girls love it and like it. They're enjoying this grass. I'm praying after praying with them, we come and eat this grass. So they starting come awake. Honey, you like? Hanoya, this is Herano. You like? Have you seen? They like this grass as much as you are. Video, we cut with the scissor like this because they can't remove from the garden like this. This is our garden. This is our garden. They can't remove from the garden, but I can't with the scissor and to get some pieces to give them. Okay. Bijo, yalla. This is Bijo. This is Bijo. They like the grass. Have you seen? They like it very well, as much as you are. They eat and they enjoying the grass. You can't remove from the garden. Have you seen Elano trying to remove from the garden, but he can't pull. She can't pull any grass. But I help them to cut with the scissor like this, and I give them with my hands because he's my girls. I love them. That's why I cut this way. Yeah, they like it, the grass. Have you seen? Have you seen my people? They like the grass. Oh God, they enjoy the grass. They no, let Biju come and eat. Biju tell your mama. But Mrs. Honey, it's called Hanuya. The cat, he doesn't like the grass. Honey, no, this is for Biju. Wait, Biju tell. Come, Biju. Elano is hungry. You want the grass? You want the grass? Okay. I give some grass. I give it tomorrow. Elano, you enjoying the grass? Oh my God. Oh my God. They're enjoying the grass. This one is for Biju. Yes, this one is for Biju. They're enjoying.